Max, and not even that dark.
Yes, there is some light here and there, but not everywhere, because it's such hard work to dig these light holes.
Well, there's no spooky noise at all. Absolutely no danger in the air. So, we're done. Let's go home.
Oh, now I understand what you mean. Max? Willy!
Maybe I'm all.
Monster!
Monsters aren't real, boys.
No one should have the right to occupy someone else's home like that. Let's follow these noises and drive out the invader.
Remember, I can smell danger, and that stinks like super danger.
Time to go, ladies and gentlemen explorers. Forward march! Come on, be brave. This way!
I'm starving. There are just mushrooms in here.
Hurry up!
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Huh. You don't have to repeat like that. It's not like I can't hear you. Huh? Maya? What did she say? Right or left? Danger on the right? So...